Breaking. TEMITOPE OSOBA expresses gratitude for overwhelming support from fans and colleagues. Before we continue, what we do on this channel is we give updates that concerns every Nollywood actors and actresses. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Nollywood actress and producer TEMITOPE OSOBA has shared a heartfelt message of gratitude, expressing her appreciation for the outpouring of love and support she has received in recent weeks. In a recent statement, the talented actress thanked her fans, friends, and colleagues for their unwavering support during a challenging period. I am overwhelmed with the love and support I received from the fans and colleagues, she said. Your monetary contributions, calls, and heartfelt messages have been a source of strength for me. I deeply appreciate every single act of kindness. TEMITOPE, known for her roles in several hit Yoruba movies, also took the opportunity to offer prayers for her supporters, saying, I pray that God will continue to protect each and every one of us. May He reward you abundantly for your kindness. The actress has been a beloved figure in the Nigerian entertainment industry, celebrated not only for her talent but also for her warm and approachable personality. This outpouring of support is a testament to the impact she has made both on and off the screen. TEMITOPE OSOBA concluded her message by reaffirming her commitment to her craft, promising fans that she would continue to work hard and deliver top-notch performances. Her touching note of appreciation has resonated widely, with fans flooding her social media pages with even more messages of love and encouragement. This moment serves as a reminder of the strong bond between Nollywood stars and their fans, highlighting how community and support play a vital role in the lives of public figures. Say a word of prayer, OSOBA.